All right, ClickBank Microsoft Ads case study. Today I'm going to help you guys set a campaign up, do a 2-day case study, see how it goes, whether I make a sale or not. Let's swing over to ClickBank. Log in. Internet running kind of slow today. Been storming all day outside. Come on. Oh my gosh. There we go. As you can see, clean ClickBank account. We're gonna swing over to the marketplace. This is the promote the landing page. I'm not direct linking this product. I'm just gonna do a 2-day case study, see if I make a sale, see if I don't make a sale. It's called Diabetes Freedom. Here we go right here, 48 bucks, average conversion. It's a digital product, so they get instant access to this product. Deep sleep remedy diabetes is also a good one. But yeah, let's go. Okay, so gonna create a new campaign. Visits to my website. Ads next. Daily budget. Let's say $25 a day. Diabetes freedom. Country and do United States, Canada, Australia, United Kingdom, and New Zealand. Also, we can do Singapore. Bow. Uncheck this. So go to the next step. Do research. Let's see. Go type in diabetes freedom. That here. It's supposed to be word suggestions supposed to pop up. I don't know why it's not popping up now. There we go. Okay. Let's open up another keyword tool. We can do scam. Scam alert. Take this. Scam alert complaints. Take it as well. Reviews. Customer reviews. Get the exact match for that. This one we can do diabetes program. Freedom from diabetes program. We can do this. get book already? Nope. We can get book right here. We use those for keywords, exact match. We also can do phrase match for both. Do exact and phrase. I'm gonna select all, copy, paste that to Microsoft Ads. Do diabetes, freedom, add group name, review. Bow, copy this, paste that up in here. Bow, there we go. Save, go to next. Here we can take some ideas from Bing. Let's see, diabetes freedom. We do diabetes freedom. Let's spend it. So just spend the ads here. Now the responsive search ad. Diabetes freedom. Show in position 1. We can offer 70% off today only. And position 2, position 3. We can do get instant access. Description. So to get people. Just say diabetes around diabetes. Find ways to reduce diabetes. See if we can fit all this in here. Got the rest of this to reduce diabetes. Whoops, I didn't mean to pass that. Find ways to reduce, then paste up in there. To reduce diabetes, 70% off today only. Get instant. I say order now. Okay, URL. This is the landing page we're gonna use for this. So you got the landing page here. Benefits of diabetes freedom. Have a little review of the whole product. There we go. So paste that in the mobile URL. Paste that in the final URL. Add our tracking links. Get the tracking link from the top of here. Gonna go paste. Quick stream and device. Save. Back. Copy this. Other ad groups. Review. Save. Copy that. And this one we can do diabetes freedom scam. File. Copy ad on this one. We can do diabetes freedom. What other keyword we use? Program. There we go. It's important to have the keywords as your headlines. Very important. But there we go. For ads, save and go to the next step. We can do maximize clicks. Let's see. We can do $3 starting off. Add distribution. Being only save. There you guys go. I'm gonna do a 2-day campaign. Let's see how it goes. Gotta for my phone. So, anyway, you guys like, subscribe, comment, follow me on Instagram at JWillTV. You guys have a good day.